So we're looking at the same equation that I did in my previous video. This time I'm going to show you how to solve it algebraically. So we're still writing the equation of the line that is parallel to y equals 4x plus 5 and passes through the point -3, -2. So first thing we need to do is we need to determine the slope of our line. Okay, now with parallel lines we need to remember that parallel lines have the same slope as the line that's given. Okay, so that's step number 1. Second step is we are going to plug in the values for my m, my x, and my y into our graphing equation y equals mx plus b. And then my last step is I'm going to solve for b. Okay, so remember parallel lines have the same slope, so when we look at the equation given, okay, this is the line that's already, if we imagine our graph paper, this is the line that's already drawn. So that line has a slope of 4. So that is my value for m. Next, I'm going to plug my values for m, x, and y into my equation. Now remember, my values for x and y come from my coordinate. So if I have y equals mx plus b, y is -2, my slope is 4, and my x is -3. And my last step is to solve for b. Now, when I'm solving for b, remember we're going to follow our rules for solving equations, just like if it was x. So I'm going to first multiply my m and my x. So I get a -12 plus b. And then my final step to get to isolate b or get b by itself is I'm going to add 12 to both sides. So b equals a positive 10. And that's exactly what we determined when we graphed this equation. So again, my final answer to the equation that's parallel to y equals 4x plus 5 is y equals 4x plus 10.